Cognito is really a brand that isn't thinking, let's make the cheapest product possible. Let's actually look at making it right and then figure out how we can make it feasible for the end user to purchase. We have a lot of the machinery and production happening in-house. Bandsaw, tubing bender, CNC machines. We just want the clients to be happy with the product and not just be first to the table. I really enforce to the end user to utilize us for what we're supposed to be here for. You can't get the answers wherever you started from and you're still stuck. By all means, we're here to help you.